Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of maintaining your John Deere equipment, understanding the oil capacity of the 4.5-liter diesel engine. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a new owner, this information is vital for keeping your engine running smoothly. The John Deere 4.5L diesel engine is known for its reliability and performance. Found in a variety of John Deere machinery, this powerhouse requires regular maintenance to ensure longevity and efficiency. One key maintenance task is checking and changing the engine oil. Using the correct amount of oil is crucial. Too little oil can lead to overheating and engine damage, while too much can cause increased pressure and leaks. So, knowing the exact oil capacity of your John Deere 4.5L diesel engine is essential. Holding up an oil container. The John Deere 4.5L diesel engine typically requires around 15.1 to 16 quarts of oil, which is approximately 14.3 to 15.1 liters. However, it's always best to check your specific model's manual for the exact capacity, as it can vary slightly depending on the model and the configuration of the engine. Here, in the manual, you can find the detailed specifications. It's a good habit to refer to this before you start any maintenance work. Now, let's go through a quick overview of how to change the oil in your John Deere 4.5L diesel engine. 1. Gather your supplies. You'll need the correct oil, an oil filter, a drain pan, a funnel, and some basic tools. 2. Warm up the engine. Run the engine for a few minutes to warm up the oil, making it easier to drain. 3. Drain the oil. Locate the drain plug underneath the engine. Place your drain pan underneath, remove the plug, and let the oil drain completely. 4. Replace the oil filter. While the oil is draining, take this time to replace the oil filter. Make sure to lubricate the new filter's gasket with a bit of oil before installing it. 5. Refill with new oil. Once the oil has drained and the drain plug is securely back in place, use a funnel to pour in the new oil. Remember, for the 4.5L engine, this will be around 15.1 to 16 quarts. After adding the oil, replace the oil cap and start the engine. Let it run for a minute. Then turn it off, and check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary to reach the optimal level. And that's it. Regular oil changes will keep your John Deere 4.5L diesel engine running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on maintaining your John Deere equipment. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. See you next time. Feel free to customize the script with your personal touches, and good luck with your video.